Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. We got a lot of new faces, we got a lot of new people tuned in, so welcome. My name is Sierra and today's video I am going to be doing yet another wash and go, but this one is a little bit different because today I am going to be using this 3-row comb that I purchased from Sally's? Amazon and yeah, a 3-row comb. I have never used a 3-row comb before. I recently started seeing people using it for their wash and goes. I actually follow a natural hairstylist on Instagram who uses this 3-row comb for her clients, and baby, those wash and goes be lit. So I'm gonna be determining if this is something that we need in our wash and go routine. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video, but before we do, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out on any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's jump to this video. Alright y'all, so my hair is already washed, deep conditioned, and I have my leave-in conditioner in now. I do that in the shower because it just helps with the whole process and just getting that condition, getting that moisture into my hair strands. So this is actually my first wash and go on camera since I got my hair cut. So if you see a little shrinkage, a little something short, that's just because sis got her ends clipped and sis got healthy hair now, okay? Healthy. We healthy around here. Alright, so I'm going to be taking the Wetline Extreme Gel and my Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. These two together, baby, a match made in heaven. A match made. Whenever I use these two gels together, I like to use the Style Factor Gel first and then the Wetline because the Style Factor is a lot thicker. Told you. Two together, listen, this make my wash and goes lit. I think this might be the first time I'm even recording using these two products, but just so y'all know, this is my favorite wash and go combo ever, period. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and take the comb. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Maybe I should have did a little better detangling before I added my gels. My hair is already clumped. I guess it kind of just... Hold on. Let me go get some water. Alright. It has it like clumping them, but like, I don't know if it's like raking the curls like how I like it. I kind of feel like combing it after I put the gel in is kind of like taking off the product. You see how the product is like on the comb, which I guess kind of makes sense. I do like the definition, but I'm not liking, I don't like that it's not clumped. Okay, we're gonna just keep going and I'm gonna see. For this next section, what I'm gonna try is, because I do this with my Denman, I only use the Denman initially to detangle, and then I won't use it once I add the product. So I'm gonna see how that works and see if I like the comb for that. Alright, so we added our water. I'm about to detangle with my comb. Make sure that them curls is popping, okay? Then I'm gonna add my Style Factor. Ooh, you see the waves. You see the waves. I think I like that better. And then I'm gonna kind of just individually keep those curls clumped. y'all, so I completed my hair. This is what we're looking like right now. I will say my curls are popping, like they are popping. Hello. I am gonna let this partially air dry, and then I'm gonna blow dry / stretch my hair, and then I'll be back once my hair is complete. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Y'all, I am obsessed with how my hair looks. Like, are you kidding me right now? Can we get into this? Can we get into her? She has volume, she got bounce. Hey girl, hey. Alright, so my thoughts on this 3-row comb. Honestly, y'all, I didn't really need it. I would rather just stick to my hands, stick to my shingling method. I have bomb results right now, but I don't feel like the comb added to my results. I feel like regardless if I went in with the comb or not, I was gonna have a good wash and go. I would personally use it more so for a detangling tool than for like my wash and go styler, because the comb is like the what are these, the teeth of the comb are so close together. With kinky hair, I mean, I don't know, I just kind of felt like I had to work for it to work. It could be because my styling product, my Style Factor gel, y'all, when you put that on your hair, it does not move. Like, it literally does not move, which is why I like to layer it with the Wetline gel, because it makes it a little bit more flexible. Just with the 2 gels and weighing down my hair, at that point, I didn't need anything to rake through the product. Like, it was already there. It wasn't moving. So the comb was just there, honestly, which is why I kind of switched up my process when I was using the comb. But yeah, the overall using it for a styler, wash and go, no, I'll pass. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys have tried this comb, let me know in the comment section your thoughts, or just ways that you use the comb that may be different from how I use it, and maybe I can give the comb another shot. But for right now, it's a no for me. It's a no, dog. It's a no for me. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my other videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.